All right, here we go, guys. Let's kind of talk about how I played it out this morning. The reason that I do these videos for you is so that you can see if the way perhaps I trade may align with the way that you desire to trade, because perhaps that may be helpful to your journey, right? I'm not a hard-pressed, cold-hearted salesman. I am willing to help people on their trading journey because I think it's the right thing to do, not because I need to do it. And that gets misconstrued with, oh, you're creating this content so that you can sell a product. Trade with me, don't trade with me, utilize my resources, don't utilize my resources. A lot of people get kind of hung up in that everything's a sales pitch. My goal and the whole reason that I put these videos together every day, I create a full blog post about it so that somebody who wants to learn has the opportunity to learn. I'm simply doing what I wish somebody provided for me along my journey. That's it, right? If that aligns with you and the journey that you're on or the journey that you desire to take, phenomenal. If it doesn't, it's totally fine, okay? I'm not going to call you, I'm not going to text you, I'm not going to haunt you, I'm not going to email the crap out of you. People who opt into the email list, they get my content. People that don't, they don't. It's so easy, right? Like, everybody thinks everything's a sales pitch. It's not. At least for me, it's not. If I can help you, great. If I can't help you, great. Everybody comes so defensive to somebody who wants to just genuinely deliver content that somebody could benefit from because they think there's an ulterior motive. Yes, do I sell products and services? Yes, I do. It's a business, right? I'm a capitalist, if you want to call it that. I've been in business my entire life for myself. My favorite business, out of all the businesses I have, is trading. Why? Because I get to produce my own income without relying on somebody else paying me. It's the best part of trading. That's the reason I got into trading. I have no employees. Right? Doesn't require any customers. I don't need anybody to be productive and produce income for myself and my family. I simply need my knowledge, my ability to trade, and the market, right? And my own operating capital, which again is non-contingent on somebody else's performance, which, when you've had dozens of employees, operated multi-million-dollar small businesses, you understand that being a business owner isn't just focusing on building the business, it's focusing on all the employees, all the clientele, and everything that comes together with that. So the reason I became a trader was because, well, I wanted to get away from that. And the reason I went in the business of helping other traders is because there may be people out there that also want to get away from that. And if I can help them, I'm happy to. So, those of you who leave comments like, oh, you're just trying to sell something. I don't care, right? And that's the beauty of the business I'm in. My clients that come and stay, they come and stay because they find value, not because I pushed them into buying something that they don't need. Not because I manipulated them into giving them this promise that doesn't exist. I don't work like that, and nor do I have any desire to. I have genuine relationships with all my clients. I know their names, I know about their spouses, I know about their children, I know about their grandchildren, I know about their last vacation. Why? Because that's the relationship that I want. It's that easy. So when I shoot these videos, it's not a sales pitch video. I'm just simply telling you how I approach the market today, and maybe, perhaps, you can learn something from that. And if it entices you to want to join alongside me or with me or access my analysis, then phenomenal. Okay? So how did I trade the market this morning? Well, I traded it very simply. You could see that we tested a higher time frame resistance level, a key level right here, and that we immediately rejected off of it. Right? We made a high, we pulled back to the session VWAP, we came in, tested a predetermined higher time frame level, a significant one, and then the market fell into this area here of lower highs that were unable to retest or push through. So where did I get short? Well, I got short right in this neighborhood, okay, 68.45 to be exact. Took a push here into the rolling VWAP, this yellow line, and we just kind of kept holding and bouncing, and I really felt like we were going to draw through it because there was no evidence to provide that we were going to push higher. So I just waited and waited and waited. I told my clients very specifically, looking for a push here through the rolling VWAP into the session VWAP, and this is where my position got filled. One trade, in and out of the market, done and easy. Have no desire to place another trade today because if I can do one and done, make what I thought was or at least to myself, a fairly substantial amount of money, there's no reason to take any more risk. Identified, analyzed, interpreted, executed. Done. Over. Simple. Got short. 68.45. Had a profit target down here, 68.15. Little slippage on the fill. Got filled at 68.10. Worked out in my favor. Made a nice coin on this push. And that's it. Plain and simple. What I find is a lot of retail traders stay so focused on trying to trade all day long. Why would you trade all day long when you can place one, maybe two trades, if even the market offers that opportunity, and then step away? I don't place trades without evidence, right? If you look inside my blog posts, you'll see the evidence that I provide suggesting why I took the trade. My live clients heard me say right here at 8 o'clock, looking for a push through the rolling VWAP into the session VWAP. And as you can see, that's exactly what happened within 15 minutes of making that statement. Right? So inside the blog post, which will be linked below this video, you can watch the trade transpire if you so desire to. I recorded it for you. I will also provide the evidence which suggested why I got into the trade in the first place. All right? Hopefully you learned something from it. If I can answer any questions for you, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below this video. If I can do anything for you, I would love to. If there's perhaps a service that may be of interest to you, let's have a conversation about it. Right? Let's talk about the details before you spend any money, because I don't want you to waste your money, just like I don't want you to waste my time. Both are valuable to each of us. All right? So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope perhaps you learned something from it. I hope you go to the blog post and actually look at the evidence that the market provided, and watch how the trade transpired, exactly where I entered, where I placed my stop, how I managed my stop all the way through until my target was hit. All right? God bless. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in tomorrow's session recap.